Hi Kate, hope you're doing well. I'll just show you how to use the calculator now. Right, this calculator here, it's a bit annoying because it's not got any proper buttons on it, but you can use a few keyboard shortcuts to make it look better. So if your keyboard on your laptop or your computer has a numpad on it, if you press numlock, which will be on the far right of the screen, in the top left corner of the far right, if you know what I mean. And if you press that, that will let you use the buttons on the side to put numbers in. So if I press the 5 on the side of my keyboard, not on the top, like this, it'll pop up in there. It just saves a lot of time, and when you get used to it, it'll cut down a few seconds. The main thing about this calculator that makes it a bit annoying is there's no answer function. So you can't do something like, let's say if I wanted to work out 1 divided by 3 times 6. If I do 3 times 6, that gives me 18. But then I can't do 1 divided by answer. It doesn't work. So I've got to add 18 to something called memory first. So if I do that again, so 6 times 3 equals 18. If I press this M plus button here, that will add it to the calculator's memory. Okay? And whenever I press this button here, memory recall, that's what it means, it brings it back up again. So then what I just did there was 1 divided by 18, and that'll give us this number, which doesn't really matter right now, I just made it up. The way you can get rid of this memory is you can press MRC and then take away, and that will refresh it and it'll all be back to normal again. There is a few good things you can do with this though, because let's say if I add 5 to memory, so 5 and then press M plus, but I want to take away 2 away from 5, I can just press 2, and then press M minus, and then that'll take it away anyway. So if we show the memory again, that shows it's 3. Or if I want to take away 3 from memory to bring it back down to 0, press 3, take away from memory, and that gives us the MRC button. I can add 0. I can also do this with M plus again, so if I want to add 5 to it, I can add 5 again. Or if I wanted to add 8, I can just press M plus again, and then it adds it to memory. That's basically how you use it. I'll probably show a lot more usage of it when I'm actually doing the questions. I don't use this button for percentages, ever. I don't think it's very good. I think you can just convert your percentages into decimals instead. I think that's a lot easier, which I'll go over later on. And this negative positive button, that just puts a negative or a plus in front of it. And the square root button just does what a square root button does. These are all your simple little operators, which will just multiply, add, divide, or take away numbers. That's basically it, but I'll go over other ones later on.